Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss question number 3. From the following data, prepare a flexible budget for production of 40,000 units. They have given you have to prepare budget for 40,000 units and 75,000 units, distinctly showing variable cost and fixed cost as well as total cost. So while preparing budget, what you need to do is you have to show fixed cost and variable cost separately. Okay. Now, so also indicate element wise cost per unit. Also you have to show cost per unit, and budgeted output is 1 lakh units and budgeted cost per unit as follows. See, they have given the details for 1 lakh and as well as 1 lakh units, and also they have given cost per units details. Look at here, they have asked us to prepare for 70 and 40 and 75. So here what they have done, they have not added for 1 lakh units. If you want, you can add for 1 lakh units as we have done in the previous question. Look at here, we have done for they have given details for 10,000, we have done for 6,000, 8,000, 10,000. You can also do like this here also. You can write 40, 75 and 1 lakh. If you want, you can write, or else you can directly go for solution. Now look at here, first you have to identify one by one whether it is variable cost or fixed cost. Direct material is always variable cost. That means variable cost per unit will remain same, but total variable cost will change. Okay. Direct labor is also variable cost. Okay. And production overhead, within bracket they have given variable. Please remember always variable cost per unit will change, but variable cost per unit will remain same, but total variable cost will change. But when it comes to fixed cost per unit will vary, but total fixed cost will remain same. Now look at here, production overhead variable they have given separately, that is it will vary according to the level of activity, but production overhead fixed they have given. That means this amount whatever we have, okay, 5 rupees into 1 lakh units, that is 5 lakh, will remain same in all the level of activities. The next one we have administration overheads. Already in the last video I have told you administration overheads will always be, it will be fixed. Okay, they have given fixed, so 5 rupees, so 5 into 1 lakh. And selling overheads, total selling overheads is 10 rupees. Out of that 10% is fixed, so 10 rupees into 10%, 1 rupee is fixed, the balance 9 rupees variable. Distribution overhead 20%, so out of 15 rupees 20% is fixed, so 15 into 20 you will get 3 rupees, balance 12 rupees is variable. So this is how you have to analyze question. You should first analyze whether it is variable cost or fixed cost or semi variable cost. Look at here, in this question it is variable, fixed, but semi variable. Starting 3 are variable, next 2 are fixed, and next 2 are semi variable. How to identify whether it is semi variable or fixed? See, you should know what are all direct expenses. Okay, suppose I have given the example of raw material. To produce one product, if you want 1 kg of raw material, for second unit you required 1 more kg of raw material. That is what the concept says. Okay. Now these two are, when they give like within bracket 10% fixed or 30% fixed or variable, that is nothing but semi variable. Okay. Now we'll go for solution. I have told you, you can write even 1 lakh also if you want. Okay. Now we'll discuss. Direct material is variable, that means variable cost per unit will be same. Here they have asked us to prepare for 40 and 75. You have to write 40, 75 and 1 lakh if you want. Per unit total, per unit total, per unit total. Now direct material is variable, variable cost per unit will be same. That is, look at here, 95 rupees, 95 rupees, 95 rupees. So just you have to multiply with the budgeted, 95 into 40, 95 into 70, then we will get 38 lakh, 71 lakh, 25,000. Done. Even direct labor is also variable. So variable means variable cost per unit will be same, 50, 50. You multiply 50 into 40, 50 into 75, then we will get 20 lakh, 37 lakh, 50,000. Okay. Next one we have production overheads. production overhead is within bracket they have given variable. So variable means variable cost per unit will be same, 40 40 40. If you want, you can multiply for even 1000. 40 into 40, 4 square is 16. Now 16 lakh, 475, 40 into 75, then we will get 30 lakh variable. We are done with 3. Next, what we have? We have production overhead. Production overhead, what is it? Fixed. I have told you fixed cost will remain same, but here they have given per unit. Per unit is how much? 5 rupees. Okay, 5 rupees they have given per unit. What about number of units? See, look at here, they have given for 1 lakh units. So 1 lakh into 5 rupees, if you do, how much you will get? 5 lakh we will get. That is total fixed cost. Okay, now you have to write fixed cost everywhere. What they have done here, they have done variable cost separately and total cost separately. Why means, look at here, they have asked us to prepare showing variable cost and fixed cost as well as total cost separately. Distinctly means separately you should show. So they have taken fixed cost over here, that is 5 lakh 5 lakh. Fixed cost will remain same, but fixed cost per unit will change. So we have total 5 lakh divided by how many units? 40,000 units. So we will get 12.50. Next we have 5 lakh divided by 75,000 units. Then we will get 6.67. Okay. Next, administration overhead, it is completely fixed. So you have to write here administration overhead. How much they have given? 5,000, 5 rupees they have given. Same, 1 lakh into here, 1 lakh into 5 rupees, 5 lakh. So it will remain same, 5 lakh 5 lakh. You don't have to do because already you have done for the above. Then you can write the same amount here. We are done with these items: direct material, labor, production overhead fixed, and administration. Next we are left with 2 more items, that is selling overheads and distribution overheads. These 2 are semi variable. We have to segregate separately. Okay, now look at here. Out of selling overhead, the total overhead is how much? 10 rupees. Out of the 10% is fixed. 10 into 10%, if you do, how much you will get? 1. 1 rupee is fixed for how many units? 1 lakh units. So 1 into 1 lakh into 1 lakh, how much we will get? 1 lakh we will get. So that is what they have written here, 1 lakh 1 lakh. Selling overheads, that is fixed cost, 1 lakh 1 lakh. Total fixed cost will always remain same, but very fixed cost per unit will change. Look at here, 1 lakh divided by 40,000, how much we will get? 2.50. And 1 lakh divided by 75,000, we will get 1.33. Done. Next, out of 10 rupees total cost, fixed cost is 1 rupee. That means variable cost will be how much? 9 rupees. So that amount you have to take here. Variable cost, variable. When it comes to variable cost per unit will remain same. When it comes to fixed cost, total fixed cost will remain same. Now 9 into 40, 9 into 75. You multiply, you will get 3,60,000, 6,75,000. Done. We are done with even selling overheads. Next we are left with distribution overheads. Total distribution overheads is 15 rupees. Out of that, 20% is what? Fixed. So you just multiply, you will get 3 rupees. 3 rupees is fixed for how many units? For 1 lakh units. So what you have to do, you have to multiply 1 lakh into 3 rupees. This is fixed cost, right? How much you will get? 3 lakh. The same amount should be written here under fixed, 3 lakh 3 lakh, and just divide 3 lakh divided by 40,000. Okay. Next we will get 7.50. Next, if you do, what we will get? 3 lakh divided by 75,000, if you do, we will get 4 lakh. So out of 15 rupees, 3 rupees is fixed. That means variable will be how much? 12 rupees. So under distribution overhead, 12 rupees is overheads. So you just write variable 12 rupees, 12 rupees, 12 into 40, 12 into 75. You multiply, you will get 4,80,000, 9 lakh. Now what you need to do, you have to total variable overheads and total fixed overheads. Then you have to total variable overheads, you have to total fixed cost. Then if you add these two, then we will get total cost we will get. So this is very important. This type of question they have never asked, but sometimes they may ask. Please try to understand. If they don't ask this to segregate separately like fixed cost and variable cost, you can directly prepare as we have done in the previous question like this. Okay, so this is very important. Please try to understand. If you have any doubts, please watch this video for 2 times or 3 times. You will get an idea. And I have sent the even original copy also. Please go through that copy. You will get an idea. I hope the concept is clear. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please don't forget to text me. Okay, thank you. Bye. Take care.